How to add view product button on Instagram post. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your Instagram application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon. Then inside your tap on this three line icon. Now inside settings and activities, scroll below, and here you will be able to find an option that says account type and tool. Tap onto it. Now scroll below again, then tap on monetization. Right over here, make sure your account is eligible for Instagram monetization because this feature only works for eligible accounts. Now go back and upload a new post. Choose any photo you like, and on the posting screen, you can simply select Get Orders and add your product name and price. After that, you can simply tap on Done. Now you can simply add a caption, tag people, or include partnership if needed. And that's it. Your view product button will be added to your post successfully. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.